the more indecision we have, the more it sucks energy away. All right, simple practice hack here when it comes to willpower. Now, what I've found is that the more indecision we have, the more it sucks energy away. So the more we waffle on a decision, the more energy that consumes. So when it comes to things like practice, or really anything, we want to make a decision and make it once. And when we make a decision once, that saves us so much energy of the waffling process. Is this what I want to do right now? When we give ourselves the option to stop and do something else, it sucks a lot of energy. So make the decision, you make it once. This saves a tremendous amount of energy. Twofold here, it also helps a deep part of us learn to trust that we do what we say. And when you practice doing what you said you will do, you start to develop a deep sense of faith in that ability until it becomes a type of identity. What you say you do, you do. And there isn't really any qualms about that. And this can be very helpful when we are practicing and when we're moving into types of practice that might be a little new to us, that might create or bring up certain types of resistance that might want to pull us from the practice. You practice instead making that decision and doing it. Now, this kind of gets offset as you start to work with more of a synchronistic type of mindset. And then sometimes what you said you were going to do isn't the most right thing to do now. It was then, but stuff can change. And so then you have to navigate the differences between when you need to apply the first thing we talked about, doing exactly what you said you would do, make the decision once and go with it, and when you are moving or being swept up in the ebb and flow of the synchronicity and events and the energy that's working there, and acting through that, which is another type of function that we can employ. And this is it takes a certain type of courage to abandon the confines of the specific will of what it is that we're choosing to do, because those choices then start to shift and flow. They take different branches, just like a river, breaking around and doing different things. So it is a type of courage that comes up in the face of working with the synchronicity and with the flow of the events that are occurring. But when in doubt, you can go back to do what you say, make the decision once, and then you do it. Much easier than waffling all the time. Okay, thanks for your time. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye.